Hey everyone, it's me, Simon Espresso. So yeah, I have an announcement that I love filming, love making videos, and reading all your comments. So I'm now going to be posting videos maybe twice or maybe even 3 times a week. Okay, and also, remember the Ghana glue I ordered? Yep. It hasn't come yet, but it's coming soon, so I'll keep you posted on that. Okay. Also, I went to Michael's, bought some stuff for time. Oh yeah, I'll show you. So let's roll on into it. Some back. Oh, I saw there's some headquarters in Michael's and said, okay, so then I bought these. They're literally called slime balls. They're for Flown. They're like Flown bees. Okay. And just by one. Okay. I bought 2. And just by 2. I bought 3, but I dyed this batch reddish pink. I'm doing a very bad job. Yes. I got 3 there. And leave it right here. Also, I bought this, woo, like a little hamster cage. Woo. Can't see that? Woo. First, I got this gummy bear. And also, I just went into Minchies and I got gummy bears all over my ice cream. So, yeah. I got this gummy bear tape. Duct tape. Also, look. I got this. How many if you guys can't see it? It's this sparkly rainbow washi tape. And also last but not the most favorite. Boom! Model Magic. Yay! Sorry. I got the white version so I can dye it. Like, people usually just buy yellow because yeah, but it's not. This would be yellow. But what if I want to make rainbow butterfly? What if I want to make galaxy butterfly? What if I want to make unicorn butterfly? That's why I bought the blue version. And also, I got this version. I got another pack. Sorry. I got another pack, but I dyed it pink. So, yeah. And I put my gummy bear washi tape on top because I just wanted to use my gummy bear washi tape. So, that's all I got from Michael's. And as I said earlier, I am going to post movies twice or maybe even 3 times a week. Okay, and stay tuned for my Ghana glue. See y'all later. Peace out.